And the breaking news is on Congress President Rahul Gandhi, who has come out and backed Andhra's special status demand. Rahul Gandhi taking to Twitter and says, and I quote, that the Congress party supports the just demands of the people of Andhra Pradesh for a special category status and speedy completion of the Polavaram project. It's time for all parties to unite on this matter and support this call for justice. This after massive protests by members of the NDA allied, the Telugu Desam party, as they have been demanding special facilities for the state of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so that is the big news coming in there. The Congress also extending their support to the cause, and Rahul Gandhi taking to social media, to Twitter, and he has posted that tweet out there. Let me go straight across now to India Today's executive editor, Meetu Jain. And Meetu, that this is perhaps why the Congress president, Amit Shah, made it so clear to all of the party workers to ensure that the Congress does not deflect the attention of the main cause on other issues, and also not to follow Rahul Gandhi's way of politics.
Well, that's right. Rahul Gandhi is upping the ante. He knows exactly where he will be getting the votes. So essentially what Rahul Gandhi is now doing is that, remember, where Andhra Pradesh is concerned, the Congress doesn't have much of a footprint either in Telangana or in Andhra, even though it was the party that created both the states. Now the Congress is realizing that if they need to get some kind of a footprint in Andhra Pradesh, then this is the time to start. Of course, where the TDP is concerned, the TDP has taken the first step actually, and they are of course demanding a special status, special package, etc., for Andhra Pradesh. They're saying Andhra has been given a raw deal. The TDP has taken the lead in this. The YSR Congress is behind, and now the Congress has suddenly realized, the Congress party that was really responsible for its complete washout in Andhra and Telangana, they have suddenly realized that if they need to actually get some kind of a hold back in Andhra Pradesh, they need to start now, and which is why Rahul Gandhi, who's turned suddenly very street savvy, has decided to tweet about it and point out that the state has got a raw deal. Avantika?
Right, Meetu, just kindly stay on with me for some other breaking news that has just come in.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.